Good morning. My name is Johnny Bruce, and I serve as Academic Enrichment Coordinator for the Neighborhood Christian Center. I want to thank all of our supporters for making our summer program a success, and without your support, we would not have been successful. We were able to have 13 of our students to commit their lives to Christ this year. And again, we said thank you for all of your support.